Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. CD 12, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Some things that can't be important. To do at home. Oh, some things are important to do at home instead. Counteract evil by hymns, movements, and offerings. But it goes beyond that in developing what we are, and we can become the devotion. CD 13. Gauranga Bhagan. When upon a spiritual path, the spiritual master, our image of, the teaching is representing God. Lust is limited and conditional, but love can be eternal. Spiritual death is ignorance of our spiritual existence, or living like we are the body. We must interact with illusion and delusion, but that does not mean that, we must accept illusion and delusion. The material existence isn't illusion and delusion itself. It's what we are tricked about, we would say. We reject clinging to that binds us by mere gratification. The highest association is of being with unadulterated qualities. CD 14. Nataya Pada Kamala. Make contact with the eternal in this life in a conscious way. Live your life as if you haven't an idea of how long you can live. Be your own best friend by having mastery over your mind. I've heard criticism of the idea of self-mastery, but come on, isn't that what you're supposed to do? Self-mastery? Don't serve society or materiality for its own sake. To take shelter of God is to take shelter with the collective. The prayers and other worship of different classes have lessons to that of the other. Entwine oneself with attachment to God. Vacha dharma kshatra kuru kshatra samaveta yutsava mamaka pandavas Chaiva Kimma Kurvata Sanjaya. And the saying of King Dhritarashtra said was that the place of pilgrimage in the place called Kurukshetra, there was assembly of those desiring to fight. Those of my party and the sons of Pandu. And certainly, what did they do? O Sanjaya. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Potency of the all attracting, the all enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.